Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Flash, Light, brand new. Okay, my boy. So today, come join me, clean my home's pubic hair. See this shit? So, I'm starting to think. Look at my yard's pubic hair. Look at that. That greenish pubic hair of Mother Earth. As you can see, there's a lot of pubic hair, right? Well, I decided to cut this pubic hair. You know, this pubic hair. This very lots of pubic hair for my mom. Mainly reason for my mom, because as you can see, when she hung our clothes, I've been overthinking. What if the ants reach our clothes? Like, what if because of this this pubic hair's hair, and it go tall and it go reach our clothes, and then it might start to attack our clothes, and it would start going like this, the hole. It would start they would cause to go hole again. So yeah, so today we're going to cut our yard's pubic hair. Let's do it, my boy. But first of all, oh yeah, I forgot. We need our equipment. Let's go! So first of all, time check. It is, what time is it? It's currently 8:25 a.m. Let's go. I'm going to get my equipment, and then let's start cleaning this shit. Let's start cleaning this shit, my boy. Let's go! Flash, light, brand new. Let's do it, my boy. I'll be back, boy. Hey, I'm back. So today, before we get our equipment, here's our plan. Look at this shit. Look at that. Look at all those pubic hairs, those messy pubic hairs. After this video, and the end of this video, this would be clean as fuck. Zero. Like the soap, the safeguard. Like when we use our safeguard in our body, 99.9% of germs is gone. Just like this, it will all be gone. And my mom's clothes, hanger clothes, are safe from the ants colonies. Yes, sir. W. So let's go. Let's go grab those equipments of ours. Let's go. Hey. So sister, guess who's back? It's me. Flash, light, brand new. So, guess what? This is our equipment for the day. So, we're using this apron from my mom's. I don't know if it will fit in my head. Whew. Oh yeah. Woo! Let's go. Plus 10 defense. Low cortisol armor from the Mother Earth's pubic hair. Let's go. So this is our armor. My mom's purplish looking cooking stuff armor. I love it. I'm sure you do. I love you too. Go. Anyways, one last equipment that we need. The crucial equipment that we need to cut Mother Earth's pubic hair, because you know Mother Earth is really really intense and at the same time beautiful. So as a result, we need an intense one. This in Tagalog, in the Philippines, we use here. We use this one. You know what this thing called? Huh? You don't know. I do. This is what we call sundang. Sundang kudarat. In Tagalog, sundang kudarat. In English, long butcher knife. So, let's go. So before that, we're waiting. We're waiting for someone amazing, someone who is very very expert in cutting Mother Earth's pubic hair. So I'm just waiting for like 10 minutes. I'm born ready, baby. Let's go. So we got here. So we're all ready now. So we're just waiting for the expert. You all see them soon, my boys and girls. I love you. So while waiting, I think I'm going to explore you to the Mother Earth's pubic hair. So this is our yard. Look at that. Very very cool, right? But this is more amazing if it is gone. I like it clean. You know. Look at that. Look at that. But guess what? This is not the only pubic hair in our yard, my boy, huh? This is not the only pubic hair. Over here, another one. Holy shit! God damn, it's so thick. What the fuck? But you know, for that, I'm going to prioritize this side of Mother Earth's, what do you call that? Mother Earth's pubic hair. Because as you can see, of course, my mom is hanging our clothes there. And I love my clothes. I love our clothes. I care for them. I love them. I protect them. And I care for them. So, in order to prevent the bad ants from reaching our gorgeous clothes, our elegant clothes, I'm going to cut all those pubic hair. Because look at this shit. Look at this. Look at this. It's almost reaching my mom's clothes, my siblings' clothes. So I love my siblings' clothes. I love them. Just the way I love them. If that makes sense. So while waiting, I think this is it. We're just gonna wait for. We're gonna wait for the expert. Look at that shit. Oh shit, my mom is here. Wait. Tita, Abay! Mami! Magabi. Gusto ko naman maggabi ta, garo.
Sige, lagyan lang sa malimboy.
I'm going to Gabi, mom. Yung nga, mami, nakatulog na. I already slept early na. Ay, too late na. Okay po, mami. I'm recording, mami. Say hello, that's my tita. So,
So,
Nag-send ka, mami.
bakal kaming o, paano mo na yung set up? Uy! Saan ko galing tinapay? Iya!
Wow.
Thanks for the friend. Parado ko na lang.
Elegant fish. I got it, mami.
Labanan na muna yan, Chu! Fish ko.
Hello, mom. That's my mom, precious mom. My very, very beautiful mom.
Put it down na.
I got it, mom. So, I'll see you all later. I'm going to wait for the expert. See you all. Hey, hey, hey. Guess who's back? So, the expert is finally here. Wait lang ma, sabi daan alas 10 ko siya wake up. So my mom just told me to wake up my sibling, my older sibling, ate ko. Around 10 a.m. So, let's go. Hey, hey, hey! Guess who's back? Guess who's back? So, yes sir, Gerald! So, he's the expert. So, say hi. Say hi. Say hello to the camera. Hello to the world.
Hello.
Hello to the world. Repeat after me. Hello to the world.
Hello to the world.
Woohoo! Boy, Gerald! Shake my hand. What's up, my boy? So, here's the expert. So, we're going to be taught how to gabi. Let's go. So, how do we gabi? Gerald. So, where do we usually start? Ah. So so we need to grab. So we need to grab.
Para madala yung ugat.
Ah. So grab, insert, and then
Yes.
out. Ah. Amazing. That's my expert, Boboy or Gerald. Hello to the world.
Ganyan lang.
Ah. Okay. Okay, let me try. Ako naman, let me try. Can you hold this for me, my boy? So, you said, ay, may armor. May purple, golden armor. Let's go. So, you said grab,
Yeah. Ganyan mo.
grab, and insert, thrust, tagasun.
Tigas.
It's so hard.
Yan.
That's basically it. Wow. Uy! Alam mo,
Tanga.
out of bounds. God damn. That's our enemy. Okay, so that's just basically it. Okay. Pwede mo pan you can just handpick it pero it's so difficult.
Medyo manipis lang kasi ang ito, try mo itong isa.
Sige, try ito. Try our main weapon. Sundang ko darat. Let's go. So, can you go down the camera? Yeah, nice. So, let's say, where do we? So, grab,
Yes.
insert, full force.
Ganyan.
Okay. So, basic lang pala. Okay. So, grab. Ay! You just grab it. Pero, let's say this bigger, our bigger enemy. Grab, insert, full force. Bitch. Oh, fuck. We can just pull it out with the help of our thruster. That's basically it, Boboy. You've taught me well. That's my amazing Boboy. Gerald, shake my hand. You taught me well na, Gerald. So I think my expert in cutting the grass is really really amazing. He taught me a lot in gabbing. I love him. He loves me too. We both love each other. So yeah, that's my Boboy. That's my Gerald. So oh, look at it. He's almost doing all the work. Amazing. So I think this where it ends between the two of us, Gerald. So thank you for teaching me. Shake my hands. Raise your hand. And then 3, 2, 1. Woo! Let's go! Ay, sorry. So, before we end, I have a technique for you. Boboy. I don't know how do we do this. So I have a gano handshake ka. Ganin. Flash, light, brand new. That's it. Gets mo? Okay, move on ulit. So, ganin. So, ang signature ta. My signature, our signature. Stand over here. So, ang ibon ta. Flash, light, brand new. Okay, get. Try mo nga. Hindi ka. Pamain ka the whole world. So, flash, light, brand new. Gets it? Get it? So, we're going to sing it together. Go. Sabay ng gibon. Okay. So, are you ready? Ready na. So, this is our ending signage. Whatever it is. So, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Flash, light, brand new! Boy, thank you very much. Salamat. So, I think this ended for our journey with the expert, Boboy. I love him. Oh. So, salamat, Boboy. And I'll see you around, Boboy. Salamat. So, I think we're ready. We're ready. Our signature. Flash, light, brand new. See? That's basically it. Before I show you the relapse, I'm going to show you how the expert do the gabi. Look at this shit. Fucking big ass, thick ass pubic hair of Mother Nature. But I love them. You know, I'm not cutting this because I hate Mother Earth. I'm cutting it for the sake of ours. And I know eventually it will grow and grow into something more beautifuler than ever. So let's go. So basically, the expert Boboy or Gerald taught me like this. So grab, pull, insert, full force, insert, pull. Shit. Insert, full force, pull. Whoo. So that's basically it. Oh fuck. Ano mo? Agagi. Pardon for saying the bad word. So I think I've shown you the cutting process. So I'm going to cut it. So I think a good place to start cutting over here. Ay! Shibal! Fuck! I just hit over this beautiful tree. I'm sorry, my boy. Yes, sir. Guess who's back? Let's go. So I already got our very black looking ass, but very beautiful boulder. we go. I love this. A very, very beautiful one. So let's start coming. Oh, our very, very beautiful camera is getting sun kissed. And what did you say? What did you say, camera? I'm getting hot. I'm getting hot. Oh, okay. So my camera is said that it's getting hot, not like the, sexual one, but hot, like it's getting overheated. So I'm gonna put you here. Oh yeah. We'll have a great progress. Let's go! Hey, so look at my progress. We're almost done. We're almost clean. But since it's getting hot out of here, time check. It's 10:11 a.m. So my mom told me to prioritize this area, the surrounding part of this plant, because she would be planting a very, 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 very beautiful plant, and I don't want to disappoint her, my mom. Let's go. Okay, so your hero is really, really tired right now. So, of course, a hero deserves a break. So, we're going to eat Jollibee's peach mango pie. Let's go. Yummy, yummy. Delicioso. Bon appetit. Hey. So, time check. It's 10:50 now. And look at this. The sun is pretty overheating or overshining. So it's like 45 degrees here in the Philippines right now at this time. So I don't want to cook myself from the heat of the sun, from the beauty of the sun, from the overshining of the sun at this time. So I think I'm going to continue cutting Mother Earth's pubic hair later this afternoon or tomorrow. Whew, it's so hot right now. Like me. God damn. So, yeah. I'm sweaty right now. Sweating. Maybe in the camera it can't be noticed, but whew, I'm sweating as fuck right now. So yeah. So this is my progress as of now. As of 10:50. Woo-hoo-hoo! Boom shakalaka, baby! Let's go! This is my mom's mission to me, to clean the overall side of the plant. At least I've done that. So I think let's call this a day. I love you, my boys and girls. And yeah, I'll continue this in part 2. So stay tuned. So yeah, as we say, to end this video, I'm going to end this with my signature. 3, 2, 1. Flash, flash, light, light, brand new. Let's go. Bye bye. See you on part 2.